Emily, what's wrong, sweetheart?
Well, Mom, Dad, there's something I need to talk to you both about.
Of course, Emily. What's on your mind?
We're all ears, honey.
It's just, I've been feeling like we're not spending enough quality time together lately.
Oh, sweetie. I'm sorry if it feels that way. We've both been quite busy with work, but we can definitely make more time for you.
Emily, your dad's right. We'll make an effort to schedule family time.
Thanks, Mom, Dad. It's just that sometimes it seems like you're always busy with your own things, and we rarely have proper conversations.
You're right, Emily. I've been too absorbed in work, and I should be more present for you.
And I've been preoccupied with bills and household stuff. We need to balance our responsibilities better.
I understand that you both work hard, but it would mean a lot if we could have family dinners together, at least a few times a week.
Family dinners sound like a great idea. I miss those.
Me too. We'll start doing that, starting tonight.
Thanks, Mom and Dad. That means a lot to me.
A few days later, at the dinner table.
Emily, I must say, having family dinners again is wonderful. How was your day at school?
It was good, Dad. And it's nice to have you here to ask about it.
Mark, have you heard about Emily's new art project? She's quite the talent.
Really? Tell me more, sweetheart.
Well, it's about expressing emotions through colors and shapes. I thought it would be interesting to explore.
That does sound fascinating. I'd love to see your work sometime.
And I can help you gather some art supplies, Emily. We should encourage your creativity.
Thanks, Mom. You both really make me feel special.
A few weeks later, in Emily's room.
Emily, we've been thinking. Would you like to plan a family outing this weekend?
Really, Dad? That sounds amazing. Where should we go?
It could be anything you want, sweetie. You decide.
How about a trip to the nature reserve? We can hike, have a picnic, and spend the day together.
That's a fantastic idea, Emily. Let's do it.
I'll pack some sandwiches and snacks. We'll make it a memorable day.
The family outing to the nature reserve.
This is amazing, guys. Thanks for doing this.
We should do this more often, huh?
Definitely. Spending time in nature is so refreshing.
You know, I'm really glad we talked about our feelings that day. It's made such a positive difference.
You were right, Emily. Communication is key.
It's made us closer as a family.
You know, it's not just about the outings and family dinners. It's the fact that you both really listen and make an effort to connect with me.
We should have done this sooner, Emily. But I'm glad we're doing it now.
And we'll keep doing it, Sweetie. Our family is our priority.
I love you both so much.
We love you too, Emily.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel. If you found